Craving the ultimate homemade burger? Let's make it juicy, flavorful, and unforgettable. Hi everyone, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be learning how to make this classic beef burger using brioche buns that's juicy on the inside, perfectly seared on the outside, and packed with flavor. Let's get right into it. For the full list of ingredients and recipe, do check the description below. Let's get cooking. To begin, you start by melting the butter in the pan. Place the buns on the melted butter and toast them in the pan till golden. This adds flavor and keeps them from getting soggy. Next, you heat a little oil on your skillet or grill on medium-high. Once hot, add your patties. Let them sear without touching for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Now, to make beef patties is simple. All you have to do is gently mix the beef with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Don't overmix or it will get tough. Now, divide into 2 or 3 portions and shape into patties about the size of your bun. Press a slight dimple in the center. This keeps them from puffing up as they cook. Flip them and cook another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how done you like them. Add cheese slices in the last minute and cover to melt. Push that to the side and fry the onions. Frying the onions is optional though. Now the fun part, assembly. Start with the bottom bun. Spread with mayonnaise. Then lettuce. Onions. Your juicy patty, cheese. Tomatoes. More mayonnaise or sauce. Lettuce and top bun. Stack it how you like. so juicy and flavorful. Forget fast food. This homemade burger is on another level. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite burger toppings below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.